Yesterday the gold has dropped in value against US dollar, and we can see the week has started with a gap, where this gap has been also closed the same day yesterday, and the price has gone below 4105.86 as support level. It has formed a strong bearish candle that has took also below this area of support, this is 4021.78, and it has stopped just in between this area of resistance and this area of support, where the support is at 3942.63. On the 4-hour time frame, we can see how the day has started yesterday. Started with a gap, where this gap has been immediately closed, and the same 4-hour time frame, and then the drop to 4057.32. The price has eventually made a bearish breakout below this area of support, and it has reached 4021.78, a daily support level, bouncing from this area of support, trying to move higher. We can see that, but the price then closed this time frame, 4-hour time frame, right at the support level, and then eventually made a bearish breakout, where the price has stopped at 3979.35. Then if we take a look on the 1-hour time frame, we can see that this gap has immediately closed when the market has opened, and then the price has dropped down. We can see with this strong bearish candle, it has reached 4040.85, which I have mentioned in the previous week analysis, that this is the area where the price could reach if the price goes below this area of support. And this area of support was 4073.42, and we can see the price has reached that area. After that, reaching the bounce has happened. We can see that indecision candles has been formed, but then the price has reached a daily support level, where we can see a strong bullish momentum has reached this area. When the sellers was exiting their trades, this retrace has been formed, and then again strong bearish engulfing candle has been formed on the chart, which could the price even further down, and we can see at 3979.35. This is the area where the buyers are currently waiting, pushing the price up, not allowing the price to reach lower levels, but we can see the selling pressure is still strong, pushing the price down, where the buyers cannot reach this area of resistance 4021.78. This is the daily resistance level. What we can make as a conclusion: now it is a strong bearish candle on the daily time frame. It is indicating further decline in value, where the 3942.63 is the next support and also the target that I'm currently seeing that the price will try to reach. On the 4-hour time frame, we can see that the price has reached this area of support, 3979.35, and it has holding currently, where the buyers are pretty strong, and it is very important to see how the price will behave around this area of support. This is visible on the 4-hour time frame. Even though we can see it is a bullish engulfing candle forming on the 4-hour chart, it is not formed at the right spot, because it immediately has reached 4021.78, which is a strong resistance level currently. On the 1-hour time frame, we can see the fight between the buyers and the sellers. The buyers are still holding this demand zone, but we can see immediately when they push the price up, the strong selling pressure enters in the market. Then lots of strength needs for the buyers to push the price up. Then only one candle, a strong one, push the price down again back to this area of support. So here on the 1-hour time frame, I can see a pretty strong selling pressure and also demand zone here, which means this is a very important support level that will decide will the price further go down, or the sellers will lose their strength, and then the demand zone where the buyers are waiting will push the price up, and we'll see how far. So for now, on the daily, I am currently bearish oriented on the 4-hour time frame, waiting for breakout, and on the 1-hour time frame also slightly more bearish than I'm bullish. So currently I'm waiting here 3979.35. when there is a bearish breakout, then follow the market, because the push will be all the way to 3942.63, an area around this area of support. So if you would like to receive also the updates during the day, if there is any bullish or bearish breakouts, feel free to check the premium analysis. The link will be below in the description, so join other traders. That's all for today. See you next time, and happy trading.
That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time, and a happy trading.